Read the following statements and select the correct ones. Increase in mass and increase in number of individuals are twin characteristics of growth. Correct. Metabolic reactions can be demonstrated outside the body in isolated cell-free system. Correct. Response to stimuli is a defining property of living organisms. Correct. So the correct option is D, 1, 2 and 3. In plants, cell division occurs dash, whereas in animals it occurs in dash. Options: only up to a certain age continuously up only up to a certain age, continuously in both, only up to a certain age in both. In plants, cell division occurs continuously, whereas in animals it occurs only up to a certain age. The reason: a multicellular organism increases its mass by cell division. In plants, growth continues throughout as they have meristematic areas. Whereas cell division occurs continuously. In animals, growth occurs to a certain age. After which cell divide only to replace worn out and lost cells. So the correct option is B. Which of the following group consists of organisms which multiply by fragmentation? Options: earthworm, amoeba, fungi, earthworm, fungi, bacteria, fungi, filamentous algae, protonema of mosses, amoeba, hydra, bacteria. The correct option is C, fungi, filamentous algae, protonema of mosses. Answer: in fungi, vegetative reproduction occurs by fragmentation, budding in yeast, sclerotia, and rhizomorphous, etc. In algae, asexual reproduction occurs by means of various kinds of spores. However, in some filamentous algae, multiplication occurs by fragmentation. In Bryospida, that is mosses, Vegetative reproduction occurs through fragmentation, formation of secondary protonema, gametes, tubers, etc. So, the organisms which multiply by fragmentation are fungi, filamentous algae, protonema of masses, which is Bryospida. Which of the following organisms do not reproduce? Mules, worker bees, infertile human couples, all of these. The correct answer is males because mule is a hybrid of male donkey and female horse. In inherited size and intelligence form, the horse and firm-footedness great tolerance and ability to live on rough food from donkey. However, all its hybrid vigor have to be produced every time the mule, hence the mule is sexually sterile. Sexually sterile means it is unable to reproduce and have to be produced every time anew. Honeybees are colonial. The correct answer is not mule. Colonial, social, and polymorphic. Three types of individuals, that is caste in honeybees, are found in the colony of honeybees, which is queen, which is a sterile female. Second is drones, which are males. Worker are sterile females and perform various duties of the colony. In infertile human couples, a large number of couples are infertile. It means they are unable to reproduce children in spite of unprotected sexual activities. Thus, inability to conceive or produce children even after unprotected sexual cohabitation is called as infertility. option is called infertility. So the correct option is here is all of these. Which of the following statements regarding the response of living organism to external stimuli is correct? Options. The external environment stimuli can be physical, chemical or biological. Correct. All organisms from prokaryotes to the most complex eukaryotes can sense and respond to environmental stimuli. Correct. Consciousness and response to external stimuli is the defining property of living organisms. Correct. So the correct option is all of these. Which of the following sets does not contain defining characteristics of living organisms? Growth and reproduction, metabolism and cellular level of organization, response to stimuli and consciousness, all of these. They are not the defining characteristics of living organisms. They are just external characteristics which are performed in the human body. Linnaeus described 5,900 species of plant in his book Historia Naturalis. And 4,326 species of animals in his book Species Plantarum. The correct option is B. You have to remember the dates and the number of species. Classification systems have many advantages. Which of the following is not a goal of biological classification? Options: to depict convergent evolution, to clarify relationships among organisms, to help us remember organisms and their traits, to identify and name organisms. Binomial nomenclature was developed by Linnaeus in 1751 in his book Philosophia Botanica. Linnaeus describes 5,900 species of plants in his book Species Plantarum, which was discovered in 1753, and 4,326 species of animals in his book Systema Naturae, which was in 1758. A natural system for classification of seeds was proposed by Bentham and Hooker in 1862 to 1883. The 3-volume were Genera Plantarum. Pliny Elder introduced a system of artificial classification in his book Historia Naturalis. He mentioned over 1,000 economic plants with about 2,000 items. So the correct option is to identify and name organisms. The main objective of plant taxonomy is to study the world's flora, to provide a method for identification and nomenclature, to provide Latin scientific names for every group of plants in the world, all of these. The correct option is all of these, because taxonomy studies the world's flora. It provides a method for identification and nomenclature. It provides a Latin scientific names for every group of plants in the world. Which of the following is a mismatched pair of common name and biological name of organism? Pararubber Hevea brasiliensis correct. T. theacinus correct. Earthworm Pheratema posthuma correct. Frog Bufo melanosticus wrong. The zoological name of common Indian frog is Rana Tigrina, Bufo Melanostictus refers to Indian toad. Both belong to class Amphibia and phylum Chordata. So the mismatched pair of common name and biological name of organism is frog. Which of the following represents the correct sequence of various taxonomic categories? Class, phylum, tribe, order, family, genus, species. Wrong. Division, class, family, tribe, order, genus, species. Wrong. Division, class, order, family, tribe, genus, species. Correct. Phylum, order, class, tribe, family, genus, species. Wrong. Hierarchy of categories is the classification of organism is in a definite sequence of categories, which is known as taxonomic categories, in a descending order starting from kingdom and reaching up to species in an ascending order from species to kingdom. The number of similar characters of categories decreases from lowest rank, that is species, to highest rank kingdom. The taxonomic hierarchy includes 7 obligate categories: kingdom, division of phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. This is known as the taxonomical hierarchy, which shows arrangement of in ascending order. The term taxon is used to options: the rank of species and genus, the ranks up to phylum, the species epithet only, any rank of taxonomic hierarchy. Taxon is a unit of classification which may represent any level of grouping of organism which is based on certain easily observable common characteristics Mayer in 1964 has defined taxon to be a taxonomic group of any ratio is sufficiently distinct to be worthy of being assigned definite category. So the correct option is D, any rank of taxonomic hierarchy. In the zoological name of fish Katla katla, the fish name The specific name is identical with the generic name, thus it is an example of antonym, synonym, tautonym, hyponym. It is tautonym. Tautonyms are the scientific names in which the generic and specific epithets are same. In tautonyms are the zoological nomenclature. However, in current rules for nomenclature of living organisms, tautonyms are explicitly prohibited. Examples of tautonym are Rattus rattus, that is a rat, Catla catla, catla fish, gorilla gorilla, which is western gorilla, etc. So the correct option is tautonym. Which of the following characters are mainly considered for declaring a new plant species? Characters of endosperm, anatomical characters, physiological characters, floral characters. The correct option is D, floral characters. Select the incorrect statement with respect to the taxon genus. It is a group or assemblage of related species, correct? A genus essentially possesses more than one number of species. Wrong. Lion, tiger, leopard, jaguar are closely related species which have been placed in the genus Panthera and are respectively named as Panthera, Leo, P. tigris, P. pardus and P. onca. Correct. Solanum, Penicillium, Vinthania and Canis are the examples of genera. Correct. So the incorrect statement with respect to taxon genus is B. A taxonomic category refers to the basic unit of classification, a rank or level in a taxonomic hierarchy, a group of related organisms able to interbreed, a group of related organisms but unable to interbreed. So the correct option is B, a rank or level in a taxonomic hierarchy. A collection species which bear a close resemblance to one another in the morphological characters to the floral parts is known as family, variety, genus, division. The correct option is C, genus. A true species consists of a population which is sharing the same nature, interbreeding, feeding over the same food, geographically isolated. So the correct option is interbreeding, which is a true species which consists of a population which is interbreeding. When a population interbreeds, the same type of species are produced again and again, so it is known as a true species. In biological terminology, a group of similar organisms which are capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring is called species, genus, tribe, family. The correct option is species. Floral features are commonly used for identification of angiosperms because reproductive parts are more conservative. Flowers can be safely preserved. Flowers are nice to work with. Flowers have various colors and scents. Botanical gardens are sufficiently large-sized tracts where plants belonging to different types and localities are grown for scientific and educational purposes. Botanical gardens are useful in providing plant material for comparative taxonomic studies, functioning as assimilation, adaptation centers for exotic plants of economic importance, growing and maintaining records of local flora, providing seeds and living materials to different research centers, coordinating research through international association, of botanical gardens. Ex situ conservation, which is conservation of selected plants and animals in places outside the natural homes of endangered plant species. So the correct option is C. Flowers are nice to work with. Which taxonomic aid gives comprehensive account, complete, compile information of a genus or family at particular time? Taxonomic key, herbarium, monograph, all of these. The correct option is D, all of these. The reason is key is a taxonomical aid used for identification of plants and animals based on the similarities and dissimilarities. The keys are based on contrasting characters, generally in a pair called couplet. It represents the choice made between two opposite options, which results in acceptance of only one and rejection of other. Each statement in the key is called lead or a lead. Separate taxonomy keys are required for each taxonomic category, such as family, genus, and species, for identification purpose. Keys are generally analytical in nature. So the correct option is all of these. The most convenient way for easy identification of plants and animals by applying diagnostic features is used in taxonomic keys. Which of the following statement is correct? Term Nothospecies refers to the naturally occurring interspecific hybrids. Correct. Wrong. As the species do not change with time, therefore they are considered as static groups. Correct. Metabolism and response to external stimuli are considered as a defining properties of living organisms. Wrong. Hibiscus rosa sinensis belongs to the same family to which Aethia rosa and Gaisopium hirsutum belongs to. Wrong. Correct. So the correct option is B. Sexual reproduction, a key feature of species, results in the production of offspring different from the parents due to recombination and mutations. This shows that the species may change with time. Thus, the species are really dynamic groups and not static as held earlier. Tanvi bought 10 food items from the supermarket which are wheat, bananas, mushrooms, onions, prophyra, liver, kelp seeds, pine seeds, sphagnum, moss, ladyfingers, and potatoes. Based on hierarchical classification, how many different phyla or divisions do these items belong? Let us make first a list of the items. Wheat, banana, onion, ladyfinger, pine, potato, pine seeds. Then is pine seeds, sphagnum moss, prophyra, that is liver, kelp's mushrooms. These are angiosperms. This is a gymnosperm. As it is singular, we'll use it as angiospermae. This is bryophyte. This is a thallophyte, phyta, and this is Basidomycota. Thus, the food items belong to 5 different phyla or divisions. So, the correct option is C, 5. As we go from a species to kingdom in a taxonomic hierarchy, the number of common characteristics will decrease, will increase, remain same, may increase or decrease. The correct option is A, will decrease. Which of the following suffixes is used for units of classification in plants indicates a taxonomic category of family? Alleles, once, aca, a. The name of a plant family is a plural adjective and is formed by adding suffix aca to the stem of a legitimate name of an included genus. Example, Rosaceae from Rosa, Linnaceae from Linum, etc. and etc. Genus represents an individual plant or animal, a collection of plants or animals, group of closely related species of plants or animals, none of these. Correct option is C, group of closely related species of plants or animals. Genus refers to a taxonomic category which comprises of a closely related plants and animals. Example, Panthera leo is lion. Panthera is a genus which has less common characteristic than species. Botanical gardens and zoological parks have collection of endemic living species only, collection of exotic living species only, collection of endemic and exotic living species, collection of only local plants and animals. The correct option is C, collection of endemic and exotic living species. Botanical gardens and zoological parks are specialized places where living plants are grown and living animals are kept, where they can reproduce too, respectively. Both endemic, local, as well as exotic, that is foreign to that place, species are kept in these places. They can be used for scientific studies. Botanical Garden at Kew, England, and National Zoological Park, Delhi are some famous examples. Taxonomic key is one of the taxonomic tools in the identification and classification of plants and animals. It is used in the preparation of monographs, flora, both A and B, none of these. The correct option is B, flora. Flora is a book containing information to the habitat, climate, seasonal changes, distribution, description, and index of plants found in a specific area. Monograph terrestriae. Monograph is a terrestrial having all information about a particular taxon like family or genus, so the correct option is C, both A and B. Which of the following is a defining characteristics of living organisms? Growth, ability to make sound, reproduction, response to external stimuli. The defining characteristic is response to external stimuli.